Hello traders, welcome to this video. I'm really excited to have you guys on my video. Click on my video to watch, guys. I'm really very excited. Please don't forget, before I continue, before I talk, guys, you know, as you really know, for those who are watching my video, on this channel, I'm talking this for those who is watching for the first time. On this channel, guys, I know I'm not that financial stable, right? But on this channel, guys, I'm here to teach you the experience I got so far from the Forex market, what I really know about the Forex market, and how I do trade, how I analyze 300, 400, 500 pips in the future, guys. So if you want to really learn how I do trade, if you want to really acquire the little experience I got from the Forex market, you want to really learn how I really read the market and then project the future trend, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click to the channel, guys. This is all I need from you guys. Click to the channel, like and share this video to family and friends. And then for those who are first one really learn how to trade, please share the link to them. Don't underrate, guys. Please don't underrate, guys. Don't underrate. Yeah, you're really going to learn a lot, because I teach you plain chat on how to analyze the future market. So I'm on GBP/JPY. On GBP/JPY, I'm on the monthly time frame of GBP/JPY. And then to be fair with you guys, I'm seeing a very great trend on GBP/JPY. And then I'm going to go straight to the point. Let's read the market structure, and then I'm going to show you what to guard next, guys. You have to plot it. The concept of this video is how to plot out key zones in the market. You have to plot out key levels, guys. That is what I'm really going to talk about today. I'm really going to mostly talk about key zones, not the market structure. In my last video, I talked about market structure, and I'm going to talk about key zones, how to mark out key zones in the market: demand, supply, resistance, whatever block. Depending on which kind of fund you trade. Guys, let me tell you something most people don't know. You see that strategy you use on the lower time frame. If you use on this higher time frame, it's still going to be the same thing, but it's just that people lack patience. Human, we lack patience, we lack the patience. We just want to make quick money, and the market doesn't work that way. Alright, I think on my next video I'm going to talk about the concept of the mindset of a trader. Guys, so don't, like in the first market, you need to approach it as a business, not quick scheme business, guys. You cannot just come and start making money that fast. No, you need patience. So my strategy here, if you know you lack patience, please just click off the video, don't watch it again, because my strategy here need patience, guys. The strategy that requires patience. This strategy really need patience, because it might take 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months before it's your setup. But once you see the setup, guys, once you see this on the chart, you're going to make a whole lot of money from the setup, guys. You're going to make money as much as you want. In fact, dish it out as more as you want. Make money, guys. So guys, let me go to the chart. Let me go to the entire to the 6 month time frame to read the entire market structures, and then mark out 1 or 2 key levels on the 6 month time frame before I come down to the 3 month to the 1 month time frame to see my medium trend, and then try to join my medium trend. So I'm going down to the 6 month time frame. So you can see on the 6 month time frame, on the 6 month time frame, guys, in 6 month time frame, so I'm not going to use this. I don't want to use this market to analyze the market figure. I don't want to use this market. I think I'm going to use good. Guys, I'm going to use let's see if we can get the big picture of this market. Okay. So guys, let's dive straight. Let's go to the chart. But I really want you guys to see the big picture of the market, what the market has been doing from day one, right? From since the beginning of opening of Forex market. So you can see here the Forex market entirely has been a very trend. So I plot out my trend line. You can see it has been a very trend so far. We got just a very trend. So this is very exciting, guys. GBP/JPY has been a very trend for long, but the medium trend, guys, is bullish. The medium trend is bullish. The entire trend is bearish. So guys, don't forget, we join. So let's go back to the structure. Let me show you how to read the key zones, guys. So I'm going to plot out this key zone. I'm going to plot out the key zone because this is a very strong key zone here. Don't forget, guys, so this video is all about how to read the market key zones. That is the aim of today's video, guys. Don't forget. So I'm going to teach you very clearly what makes a zone to be very valid and what makes it not to be valid. So you can see here, guys, this zone I marked here. I'm going to show you what makes these zones to be valid and what makes it to be valid. So guys, don't forget, you can see we got we got it all the way here. The market came down this zone. We then push it back to this upside, and then we bring it all the way. Okay, we bring it all the way to this downside, and then we have a little bit of head and shoulder pattern on this downside, guys. We have a little bit of head and shoulder on this downside here, and then we push it all the way back to down here. I'm going to see it clearly. So we have it here. Then we came back to this zone where we have a shoulder pattern, and then we got a rejection from that zone to this to the downside, and we still came back here again, guys. Did the same zone here, not another place, this same place. We still get rejection. So what makes it to valid? What is a zone? A zone is where a market has rejected several times, which means like where the market always respect. So that's what we call a zone. That's what we call demand and supply. That's what we call for other block. So if a other block where a zone is supply and demand is where the market has keep rejecting. A strong place that the market keep rejecting. So we call that a zone, a strong zone, a strong support, supply, demand, resistance zone, other block zone. So here you can see we got this rejection 1 here, and then 2, 3, 4, which makes it more valid, guys. So what are you expecting, guys? Which means that if you can see the market is going back all the way to its upside, it's still going to touch here. We have 80% probability that this market is going to come back here and let's say push up to the downside, because the market has been hitting this zone, touching it for several years, and then it keeps rejecting. Instead, once you touch it, it bounces back to the downside. Once you touch it, it bounces back to the downside, guys. So you see, which means this market where it's heading to this zone, and then once you touch this zone, it's still going to push up to the downside, back to the downside. Yeah, guys. So as you can see, guys, somebody don't understand. First, you do for you understand what I mean by this zone. So you can see here, a zone is where the market has been rejecting several times, where the market keeps respecting. When the market rejects, reverse. When the market rejects, reverse. So that's where we call a zone. Guys, don't play the zone. If you don't know what is zone, guys, you're gonna lose a lot, because a zone is very strong place. Because the market touched there, it's respect that place. So yeah, I'm going to come back on the this downside here also, and I'm going to plot out this area, because this is a very strong zone, guys. So you can see here, this is another zone. Let me explain this again to you guys. So you can see here that the moment you have a certain pattern, we come all the way to the downside. After we got that rally, we still got it up to the upside, and then it still came a little bit down, and test this zone again. This is what we call supply zone. You see, test the supply zone, and still have the rally all the way back to this downside, this same area. And once the market touches it again, it reverses plenty to the upside, and it will go back to the upside. And then you can see here, you see, bring it down to this side again, and then here you can see, take it up here, bring it down here, and then you are heading back to the upside, which means that this market wants to come and touch this zone. Yeah, guys, which means that this market really wants to come and touch this zone. So you can see here, the market wants to come and touch this zone. So this is I think for me, this game of the market come and touch this zone, which means we are going to join the medium trend. So here you can see we have read the zone, guys. We have read the zone. So this is the value zone that we have read, because here we got several touches. We got 1 rejection here, 2 rejection, 3 rejection. Here we have 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection, guys. So it's really a valid zone, guys. It's a valid zone for us. So now, guys, after we have already read the zone, market our 2 zones. So now what is the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to go back to the monthly time frame. Go to the monthly time frame, look for our medium trend, and then join the medium trend. Yeah, guys. So we cannot join the entire market trend. We cannot join the entire market trend, guys. You have to be a lot of patient. So let's go back to the monthly time frame and look for the medium trend to join. So yeah, I am on the monthly time frame of GPJPY. So on the monthly time frame, you can see it has been bullish. It has been bullish entirely, and I'm going to plot out my trend line to see for extra more confirmation. So you can see I'm plotting out my trend line. It's still a bullish, bullish trend. You see a bullish, I'll plot out my trend line, guys. So guys, for me, really, I'm taking a buying opportunity, guys, because the market, all this pullback here, the market has all these things that's happening here. It's happening under this support level, guys. It's happening under this support level. You can see we keep having a rejection from this support level. And let me mark that support level. That is a very valid zone. If you can see here, this is the support level I'm talking about. So you can see it. So this is the support level I'm talking about. We keep having the rejection from this support level. If you can see here, we got this support level. What makes it to be valid is that we got one zone here, 2 zone here, and if I push it, guys. And if I push it, like if I draw it, you can see that here again, you see another zone, another support level. Right? So we got 1 support, 2 supports, and then 3 supports, which makes it more valid zone, which makes it a valid zone. And you can see here, all these things we are playing, you are still playing under this support level. You are still playing under this support level. But average market was able to break this support level. They would have said, okay, maybe we want to have the value to the downside because of this thing that happened here. Sorry. Because of this thing that happened here, because the market came and downside, we want to have this back to the downside. But here you can see here, guys, we are still in this level, we are still in this same area, this same level here. We are still in this same level, which makes it more interesting, which makes us going for a buy. Because the market has not breaks level, it has been within this level for years. So which means that this support level is a very strong level, support level. And as you can see here, guys, it's still respecting our trend line. Even on support level on our trend line, if I bring out my moving average, it's still a drop of my moving average. Okay, so we have a lot of confidence on this trade. And then if I plot out my Fibonacci retracement, guys, you can see that still my Fibonacci retracement, 0.5 retracement. You can see very clearly 0.5, 0.6 retracement on top of my trend line, and then it's on moving average, guys. So you can see here we have about 3 confidence on this trade. So guys, what we're really waiting for on this trade, guys, is just to buy, guys, and the market is really our right area of interest. So what I'm going to do, guys, right now is I'm going to go down to the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, I'm going to quickly show you one or two things on the weekly time frame. I'm going to share is going to be our TP level. We're going to expect the market to go on the night one. So guys, all you guys learn a lot from this trade. See, it's very, very simple. I did not spend my time. I want to use any indicator. I want to start drawing lines, marking out lines. No, it's very easy to analyze the first market. It's as simple as ABC. There's nothing stress in there. You can just go and read the market structure, read the big picture, read the zone, mark out the key zones on the market, and then come to the monthly time frame, look for the medium trend to join, and then put down my trend line, and then the market is giving me everything I need, guys. On top of my trend line, and then on top of the support level, on top of the Fibonacci retracement, 50% retracement. So guys, this is confidence for us. This is a very good opportunity. 3 confidence, guys. If you don't bring out my moving average right now, it's still under my moving average, 50%, but it's still under it, 50% moving average, so it's under it, guys. So which means that this trade is still going to go back to the upside. So now I'm going to go down to the weekly time frame. Let me show you something. So on the weekly time frame, guys, you can see here. On the weekly time frame, I'm going to mark it very clearly. So you can see on the weekly time frame. You can see on the weekly time frame, this was the first touch, because I followed the second touches. You get right? So this is it. This is my structural trend line. Before I place any trade, I always love the market to break my structural trend before I take any trade. Hey guys, for those who know X to E wave pattern, this market form X to E wave pattern here, because you can see this X to A, then to B, to C, to D, and then to E, and then we got the breakout, guys. So this is another confidence for us, guys. So this is the breakout of this trend line. I think the market will give us a pullback. So which means, guys, I think right now the market is ready to go back to the upside. I think market is ready to go back to this upside. So guys, you can see right now I'm looking for buying opportunity, and then the market has really break our latest tips. I'm going to go down to the daily time frame to show you some of the daily time frame. So here we are on the daily time frame, guys. On the daily time frame. So we already got the break. We already got the break of it, and then this is the pullback. So guys, what we're really going to wait for on this trade is just a engulfing candlestick that is going to engulf this. Once a engulfing candlestick engulf this from the daily time frame, we have an engulfing candlestick this. That means, guys, the market is going to the upside. So this is my analogy for GPJPY. So once we got an engulfing candle, guys, this is going to be our first target, and then this is going to be our second target, guys. So once able to once able to have an engulfing candle, then this is going to be our first target, second target. So which means this is going to be us a whole lot. So you can see here, from here, this is 500 pips, and then this is 1,500 pips. So guys, we have a lot of money to make on this trade. So I'm going to go down to the monthly time frame to see it more clearly, to show you it more clearly. You can see on the monthly time frame, this is going to be our second area of interest here. So which means we're going to mark it away from here to this one here. This is about 4,000 pips, guys. So here on GPJPY is a great setup. And if I want to use the simple way how I plot out my zone, my TP level, you can see here, it's still on top of that zone here, guys. So you can see this is structural trend line when the market has been respecting, structural line. So which means that you can see this is it, 3,000 pips, guys, fully. So guys, we have nothing to do on this market. So this was what I have for you guys on GPJPY, guys. This is my setup on GPJPY. As simple as that, guys. So we don't have anything to lose, and there are many of you might learn a lot from this market. Yeah, this is how I do it. Very simple as ABCD, no stress, no complicated in any way. It's as simple as ABCD. So don't forget, you have watched. I know you have learned a lot from this market. How I mark out my key zones, how I read the market structure, and then how I wait for the market to how I wait for the market to break my structural line before I take my entry. It's as simple as that, guys. I don't wish anything more. So please don't forget. Please kindly click the subscribe button, guys. Click it, because yeah, I'm trying for you guys and teach you everything clearly you need to know. Please don't forget, click the subscribe button, like and share this with family and friends, invite your friends, subscribe to the channel. Bye, one love.